Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post long video in WhatsApp status. It's simple and easy, just watch the video till the end. We all know that Snapchat doesn't have a feature to post a long video in status, but there's a way to do that. We need to split our long video to match the 30 seconds time frame. To do that, let's download an app from Play Store or App Store. Just search for this one, Video Splitter for WhatsApp. Just open it when downloaded. Click the import button to upload long video. Just choose the video you want to split. Here, you have options you can choose from, and if you're done, just click the Save button and choose a quality. After that, it will start to split your video. Then, after it's done, go to your WhatsApp and post. Your long video now is splitted into different 30 seconds, and all you need to do is post it orderly. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.